here's what I discovered that happens to you in life, that you will go through things, and while you're going through them, you can't understand why it's happening to you. But after you go through it, you get back and you look at it and you say, oh, now I understand why I needed that lesson. Have you ever happened to you? Raise your hand. Has it ever happened to you that I couldn't understand it then, but after I got through it, then I saw that was preparing me for bigger and better things.
What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for listening to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to share with you all an experience that I just went through a couple of hours ago, where it was to a point where I just picked up the vehicle. So say like I'm in one of my vehicles right now, and it just came back when, let's say, Sunday. And then the next day we cleaned it and everything, made sure everything was clean. And then the next day, a young lady rented the vehicle for a couple of hours. And then she returned it. Everything was good, clean, or whatever. But of course we took pictures, but it got to a point where we were getting it ready for, just doing a full detail on it. And it was a vape fountain. Now, the car didn't smell like anything out of the ordinary. Like I said, it was no odor, nothing that I noticed or my business partner noticed. Nobody noticed the odor in the vehicle. But we did happen to find this vape pen. Now, instantly, we had to take pictures of it, of course. We took pictures of it, and we were just deciding if we was going to report it or not. Now, in the past, my experience of renting cars or just doing business, I have been charged with a lot of stuff. I remember we got charged for mini bars. We got charged for even smoking in the car when never no smoke in the car, where somebody probably dropped like a piece of, where somebody probably had like a piece of black a mile and dropped it, and it just stayed in the car. Late checkouts, these companies have these fees for a reason. They know people are careless. They know people don't give a else, but but to a point where we did find it, and we were like, what should we do? Well, in Turo guidelines or any rental car guidelines, it says nothing of such should be found. Now, they got speculations of what goes on, but for the most part, nothing of that should be found. Guns, weed, what else? Drugs, any type of drugs, of course. A dead body of you might have one in there. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, it's just certain stipulations, and we end up calling Turo and telling them the whole situation. Where it's like, yeah, we did found it, but it was no smoke in the car. And Turo was like, man, Jason, you got pictures of it? And we was like, yeah, we got pictures. They were like, send the pictures, take the pictures. So, because, when you take the pictures, anything you upload onto the app or whatever, they see it immediately, you know what I'm saying? So they keep it up and everything. So they actually walked me through the process. I was letting them know, like, hey, well, no smoke, but I didn't smell no odor. Nobody smelled odor, but it was just found. And they was like, yeah, we're just going to proceed. This is what you do. You take the pictures. We got the pictures. Now, got do the rest of the procedures. And hit send. And they was like, hey, if something else, we're going to call you back. Or we're going to call you. We're going to get in contact with you. So I guess they got in contact with the young lady who had the car. And no telling what they told her. They told her something in the beginning, and then I guess they released pictures to her. And then what I feel like she kind of messed up at, where she admitted it that it was hers, because it was on the passenger seat. And, of course, she admitted that it was her purse. I do understand she might have been fumbling around in the car before she handed it off. I did notice that. But at the end of the day, this was found. And the way Turo put it, like, hey, nothing should have been in that vehicle. And of course, I got signs in the vehicle that saying, like, smoking sign or whatever. But they took it very serious. So right now the lady is disputing it. I would hope she is disputing it. She claims she didn't smoke in the car. I gotta believe her, but then again, there's evidence that it was smoke in the car. So I just want to feel y'all opinion on it, man. You know, should I have charged her, or should I haven't charged her, or should I go through with it? Should I don't go through with it? Cause I feel like, you know, I have been charged a lot of stuff for just little mistakes. You know, even if I travel so much and I lose my wallet, like little mistakes, that's gonna cost me. And you know, I think it's part of the game, man. But yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know if that happened to you. How you deal with the situation. I just know I operate a business, and if I have somebody else finding good like stuff like that, you always consult before you take action, of course. And you know, it is what it is. So man, yeah, hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right? Peace.